welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Thar for complete service. We have procured all the parts at the moment. You can just have a look at the parts which we have procured at the moment. You can just have a look at the, so this is the suspension work and this is the steering end. So you can just have a look at, we have procured all the parts at the moment. You can just have a look at the parts, and we are using a Starke brand, and you can just check out. So this is a ball joint, and these are the belts. This is a grease, complete set of and Gabriel shock absorbers also is procured. So complete set of all parts have been procured for this Thar. Complete suspension details will be installed on this vehicle. So here is a gearbox fitting also, which is going to be installed. So this is the steering end, which we have procured from Starke. So all brands we use only genuine parts. For any kinds of queries, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are working with all Bolero Thar pickups also. For any kinds of servicing regarding Mahindra, you can just WhatsApp us on our number. Please like and subscribe our channel.